Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Okcupid likes. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Okcupid app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to see the Okcupid likes, you need to go to the like section at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now that you're in the likes page, here you can see how many likes you have got till the date. But the catch is, in order to see who liked you need to upgrade your account to the premium version. So you need to get a subscription in order to see who liked you. Without the subscription, you can only see how many people have liked you. As you can see over here, 13 people have liked me or my profile. So if you want to see who liked you, here you can see the See Who Likes You button at the bottom. Tap on it and it will prompt you to the subscription page. Here you can choose if you want to subscribe to the premium version of Okcupid. You can choose your preferred option and tap on continue. So that's it. That's how you can see Okcupid likes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.